Hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful organization chart in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color. This one, and go to insert shapes and take a rounded rectangle, drag a rounded rectangle horizontally like this. Again, go to insert and take this rounded rectangle from two side only and drag it vertically and make it full curve through. Let me align it first, and yes, and make it full curve. Control D to duplicate it and place it here for later use. Let me select these two shapes and go to merge shape fragment. Select this one by holding shift and delete. Let me make it a little bit smaller, this shape, and put it here. Yes, now select this one. I'm going to give it some gradient color. I need only two stops, so I'm going to delete the extra stop. I'm going to give this stop a gray color, and this will be white. Direction from up to down. Go to line and also give the line gradient. Remember that the line gradient will be inverse to the fill gradient. Also give the first one this color, the gray color, and the second one the white color, and the direction from down to up. Let me make its width to increase, and I think 2 will be okay. Yes. I'm also give a shadow effect to this one. Transparency increase to 80, and size will be 103, and blur will be around about 8-9. Give it some different color. I'm going to give this orange color. Let me give it dark gray color, and shape outline, make it no outline. Let me bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V. Let's place this text here. Here is the employee name and his position. Let me align it at the center of the rounded rectangle. Select all, and let me bring an icon, employee icon. Let me bring it to the slide, employee, and I'm going to bring this one. You can put here your employee picture, and let me give it group ungroup to convert from SVG to fill. I'm going to give it white color and put it here. Select all, Control G to group it, and put it at the center of the slide. Control D to duplicate it and make it a little bit smaller. Again, Control D to duplicate it. You can increase or decrease these shapes according to your employees, how many employees under the CEO, and you can increase or decrease these shapes according to your employees. Let me change the color to a different one. I'm going to select this one and go to fill and give it a different one color. Let me choose this one. Yes, and also change the color of the text according to the type. Next one, give it some different color, green color, and change the text color according to the type. The next one, give a different one color, change the color of the text according to the type. Let me select and go to colors and give a different one color according to the type. Another one color, yes, text color will be also changed according to the type. Select the recent, I think I should, yes, this one, recent color. Go to insert and take a curly bracket and drag a curly bracket through this handle, rotate it by holding shift. It will rotate with a 90-degree whenever you hold the shift and rotate it. Let me align it and make it curve. Put it at the center of the slide, this one. And now I am going to fix it. Make it curve through this anchor point. Control D to duplicate it. Give it some gray color and Control D to duplicate it. Make it smaller from both sides, left and right. Select these two curly bracket and send to back. Control D to duplicate it. There are other employees under that goes under this employee, so I need other shapes. You can increase or decrease these employees shapes according to your requirements. Control D to duplicate it. Send to back. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Control D to duplicate it and make it a little bit smaller by holding shift. Okay, let me fix it. Select all these three employees and drag it to the center little bit. Likewise, these also, select these three employees and drag it to the center little bit. Yes. Send to back. Select this one and send to back. Control D to duplicate it and make it little bit smaller. Put the text at the center of the shape. Control D to duplicate it and make it smaller by holding Shift Alt. I need a line segment, so I'm going to go to insert and take a line segment and drag a line segment. Control Shift C, select this one and Control Shift V. I'm going to put it here at the center of these two shapes and Control D to duplicate it here also. Select both line segment and send to back. I'm going to fix the headlines. Organization chart, caps lock, organization chart. And put it here at the center of the slide. Let me select all these shapes and bring a little bit down. I'm going to give it some shadow effect to the text. Go to text option, go to text option and give it some shadow effect. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you for watching and thank you.